Ian Stewart, Figments of Reality, The Evolution of the Curious Mind. Delve into the fascinating origins of life and the human mind with Figments of Reality, The Evolution of the Curious Mind by Ian Stewart. Discover the various theories and processes that shaped the early development of Earth, the formation of galaxies, and the emergence of life. Learn about the central role played by the replicating molecules and how they ultimately gave birth to the extraordinary minds of human beings. Unravel the complexities of life, from self-organization to the intricate process of natural selection. This intriguing summary provides an eye-opening exploration of both the scientific and philosophical aspects of what makes human beings unique and distinct from the rest of the natural world.
The origin of life in the universe. The universe began as a small radiant dot that exploded into space, forming hundreds of galaxies, stars, and planets. Over time, atoms on Earth began to react, leading to the formation of molecules that could replicate and transform. These replicators developed different properties, some gaining the ability to turn starlight into food, produce oxygen, and move. Over time, these replicators continued to mutate and evolve, forming increasingly complex organisms, leading to the evolution chains we know today. At the core of life's beginnings were perfectly reasonable chemical reactions that could have resulted in the gradual and spontaneous emergence of life on Earth. The uniqueness of the human mind. Our universe's evolution is the result of impersonal happenstance, which led to the emergence of Homo sapiens, who impute meaning and purpose to their lives. Humans are distinct from other animals, as they possess unique minds that allow them to construct a conceptual map of reality and make decisions. This is due to the complicity of their intelligence and culture, which interact and produce their unique minds. Science provides us with the most successful way of understanding the external universe and testing our theories against it. Although we may never know precisely how the universe began and how humans evolved, we can appreciate the intricacy of our mind and its importance in our everyday lives. The chemistry of life and mind. The atoms and chemical activities that form the basis of life and mind are explored in this book. This is because carbon atoms can stick together to form large, stable skeletons to which all atoms can attach, forming organic matter. DNA then forms the genetic material of almost all organisms. Minds are rooted in organic matter, they are complex processes that happen in material brains. Gradually, the privilege of adult protection led to a new kind of intelligence developing in the offspring. In this protected context, their minds could develop, since their parents could pass along more survival information through teaching, rather than through heredity. Understanding the complexity of intelligence. The emergence of complex forms of intelligence can be understood by looking at the bigger picture using game theory and phase spaces, as opposed to reductionist thinking. In order to answer the why questions of a process, one must examine its context and the actions that led to it. Rather than solely focusing on the neural functioning of the brain, it's important to consider the larger external context in which it operates. Chaos theory demonstrates how simple rules can create order or disorder, highlighting how patterns can emerge from seemingly chaotic movements. Overall, intelligence is not predetermined by the ingredients, but rather by how they are organized. The evolutionary game of complexity. The process of evolution is a mechanism that enables systems to become more complex, organized, and stellar in their abilities. This evolution occurs in all animals, including humans, through natural selection, genetic variation, and sibling rivalry. The evolution of humans began over 5 million years ago, with early hominids developing from an ancestor that evolved into apes and humans. With the interaction of genetics and the environment, the invention of new rules and strategies, and parental assistance, humans continued to evolve into modern-day Homo sapiens. DNA plays a significant role in the evolution of life on Earth, and most life forms have the same DNA molecule. Overall, evolution is like a game that has continued for 5 billion years, and humans today are the winners of that game.
By the end of Figments of Reality, the reader can appreciate how life and the human mind emerged from a complex set of interactions between molecules, organisms, and their environments. Through the ever-evolving game of natural selection and the coevolution of mind and culture, human beings have been shaped by their unique mental faculties, allowing them to construct conceptual maps of reality and adapt themselves in unimaginable ways. The book sheds light on our DNA's role in this remarkable journey, from simple replicating molecules to creatures with vast cognitive abilities. Overall, this enlightening summary offers a new perspective on humanity's position within the universe, inviting readers to contemplate the extraordinary processes that led to our existence today.